Greetings once again to all my watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else you might be viewing this video. I come today with another unboxing and review of my latest acquisition, which is right here in this box. Okay, before we get started, of course, my standard disclaimer. All watches reviewed on this channel up to this point, and including this, are purchased by me, for me. My money. Nobody's given me any watches. Therefore, nobody has told me what I can or cannot say. So anything I say about this watch, good, bad, or indifferent, will be my opinion, straight, true, and unrehearsed. Okay, so what did I find today? Well, I saw this watch just recently on another channel. A gentleman whose name I don't know. I think his initials are VTG, but his channel is the oh God, I forgot, the Urban Gentry. Yes, I'm sorry, the Urban Gentry. I just recently discovered that channel, and I've been enjoying it very much. Don't think he's a guy I'd ever meet in person, although after listening to his videos, I'd really like to someday. He seems like a great guy. Very obviously a man of taste and refinement, which I am not as high up on that ranking as he is. But his watch collection has several watches in it that also mirror mine, or mine now mirror his, depending on the timeline. And this watch was one that he has in his collection, at least as of today, March 15th, 2018. I think he still has it. That I just fell in love with the look, and I had to have one, and I managed to find one at a price that I could agree with and the seller could agree with. So what is this watch? Well, it is a Squale, or Squale, however you pronounce it. I'm going to say Squale. Sounds better. And it's one of their 1521 dive watches. Just arrived. Haven't opened it up yet, so I'm just as eager to see it as you are. At least I hope you are. I don't care if you are or not, really. I mean, I care, but I'm eager. So, outer box gone. Inner box is in great shape. Obviously, it was owned by someone who cared. Kind of a leathery feel to it. Very nice. Nice. I guess that's called an embossed logo, but nice box. You know me, I'm a sucker for the color blue. So, opening it up, we see da-da-da. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, look at that. Now, let's see. We'll put this aside for just a minute. Take a look at the rest of the box. See if there are any goodies in it. Now, let's see. We've got the original bill of sale, I guess. I didn't pay that much, but he did. Let's see. We've got the warranty card. Looks like it was sold 4/13/17, if I translate the European way of writing these things into my way. Professional Ocean, model 1521 026A03, serial number 6026. Very nice. Instruction book, which I'll peruse later, and that part, which looks like it's in great shape. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to put this back in there too so I don't lose it. And let's see, taking off the, we're going to have to pop it to, there we go. There we go. So we'll put its pillow away, and we'll put you aside. Very nice. Close that up again, and he even included the link. So it is a linked bracelet. Okay, I hope it fits me. Anyway, there we go. A Squale 1521 in the blue with the polished case and the mesh type bracelet with the double clasp. It all looks to be in great shape. Might want to do a little polishing on the bracelet here, but it is nicely signed, as you can see. But the watch itself looks like it is in great shape. Nice and shiny. Doesn't look like there's any damage, just like the picture showed. So the seller was true to his word. I'll make sure to give him good feedback on that. Obviously not the right time, but we'll deal with that in a minute. And a smoothly rotating unidirectional bezel with a nice little, I'm sure it's a loomed dot at the top there. And I mean, now you know why I fell in love with this. I mean, the blue in and of itself is beautiful, but that inner chapter ring, polished just like the case itself, big orange minute hand, the syringe type second hand, just beautiful. And I love the way that the crown, when it's screwed in like this, let me screw it back in. I love the way that the crown almost disappears. I mean, it just molds right into the bezel, or the case I should say, and disappears, so it's not obtrusive. And let's see if we're in morning or afternoon here. We'll know in a minute. Oh, we were in the afternoon. Now we're in the morning. So let's see. It is about 3:50 local time in the afternoon. So and you can see that the second hand is stopped. So we've just proven that it is a hackable movement. I'll get to that in a minute. And the date. There it goes. And as I said, today is March 15th. There we go. Give it a few winds to energize it. That'll work. What a lovely piece. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Like the logo on there, Squale Professional, and what does that say? 50 atmospheres or Atmos. So it is a 500 meter water resistance watch. Let's see. Measurements I picked up is the lug width is 20 millimeter. It is a 14 millimeter thick watch with a sapphire crystal. Screw back. It is a exhibition case back, which doesn't bother me. 42 millimeter in diameter, and it is powered by a Swiss ETA 2824-2 movement. So it is worthy of the Swiss made. I think it says Swiss made at the bottom, does it not? Yes, it does. Okay. Yes, it does. So, definitely a beautiful addition to my collection. And I want to thank the Urban Gentry for showing this watch on his channel and convincing me with his great review that this is something that I needed to add to my stable. Let's see, crown is signed. Signed crown. Oh, mercy. Yes, it is. You can barely see it. So either there's been a lot of winding going on, or that's just not stamped very well. But well, I guess that's what you get when you're buying a previously owned watch. Let's try this on, see if it fits, or if I have to play with this extra link here. Sometimes you get lucky, and sometimes you don't. Oops. Ooh. Let's see, that's tight. Oh, there you go. Actually, that doesn't feel too bad once I got it on my wrist in the right orientation. So that fits nicely. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna polish up the clasp. That's a little scratched up, but I knew it was a little scratched up from pictures, so I knew what I was getting. You know, I mean, the seller of this on eBay was very honest with me, and great guy to work with. And I don't know if he's watching or not, but he probably isn't. But if he is or does eventually, I want to express my appreciation for a good deal and tell him that I'm very happy with this. I'll tell him in my feedback, and maybe I'll email him. But nice watch. I just love that blue and the orange of the minute hand. That's very Florida Gator, which being a Gator alum makes me happy. I might wear it to some games. So there you go, my overview, unboxing, and impressions of my brand new to me Squale, Squale, whatever, 1521 Swiss diver. Nice weight to it. Felt good on the wrist. I'll put it back on and wear it for the rest of the day, most likely. This band look how heavy duty that band looks. Nice and thick. Good solid band. It's not going to go anywhere, and it doesn't feel like it's going to tear the hair off my arm, which, you know, my buddy DeVore, he doesn't have that problem, does he? He's got too much ink on there for hair. But some of us have to worry about little things like hair being pulled out, which is annoying. This watch will not annoy me. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching my latest acquisition video. And wish you a good day, and I will see you soon for the next video.